Check out this vehicle from the Bill Cole Auto Mall.
Presenting the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, a spoiler, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, a backup camera, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This pre-owned vehicle includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited drivetrain warranty, a year of scheduled maintenance including 3 oil changes, a tire rotation, and rental car coverage. Don't you deserve the Bill Cole advantage?